Hello and a very warm welcome to the channel, everyone. On the Walk of Flame today, I'm getting back to barbecue basics with Surf and Turf Kebabs. No marinades, no rubs, just a seasoning of salt and pepper. There's a bit of preparation to do, so let's get on with it. I have some juicy prawns and a nice piece of sirloin steak. Just look at that marbling. I'll start by trimming the excess fat from the steak. I think I should have sharpened my knife. Now cut into strips of roughly 1 inch. And now into cubes. You could ask your butcher to do this for you. Onto the skewers. First a cube of steak, followed by a prawn, and then another piece of steak. I'm using these Weber 2-pronged skewers. They really do hold everything firm. I'm being very careful. These skewers are sharp and it's very easy to slip, which from experience I can tell you is painful. So there's 1 skewer, 3 prawns and 4 pieces of meat. Brush with oil on both sides. And then a good seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Here in the UK we're enjoying a heat wave. They're forecasting sunny intervals and light winds with a temperature of 26 degrees C and a 3% chance of rain. Well, we got wall-to-wall sunshine, little or no wind, no rain and a temperature approaching 30 degrees C. And that's what I call barbecue weather. I'm putting up the sun umbrella to create some shade over the grill and hopefully get better pictures. If you're liking it so far, then give us a thumbs up, sub the channel, click the button, ding the bell, and please don't forget to leave a comment. On the grill I've got some wood pellets smoking away nicely. And yes, I know this rack is to hold a joint of meat. With my skewers laid across this rack, they are high off the grill, and when closed in the upper part of the lid, where the heat is circulating nicely. I'm giving them 2 minutes per side. Time to turn them over, and yes, they're cooking nicely. The smell coming from the barbecue is heaven. Even the neighbours have been asking what's cooking. That's another 2 minutes gone. Time to get them off the grill. Just look at those kebabs. Don't they look good? And there you have my Surf and Turf Kebabs, served with a green salad. I can tell you now, the steak was melt in the mouth. The prawns were sweet and juicy. All in all, that's one meal that can't fail to impress. Please have a go at this one yourself. Sub the channel, click the button, ding the bell, and do let me know how you got on. Well, that's all for now. So from me, the dude of the food, it's goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.